Good morning, everyone. I am Lucella Java, Best N1 Levine, reporting chemistry vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is an organic compound with the chemical formula C6H8O6. It's a white solid that dissolves in water to form a mild-light acidic solution. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, has many functions in the body. Tissue growth and repair, collagen formation, wound healing, bone and teeth health. Vitamin C help repair and maintain bones in teeth. People feel tired, weak, and irritable. Cold, scurvy, causes bruising, gum, and dental problems, dry hair and skin, and anemia. Vitamin C can be found in many fruits and vegetables, including broccoli, strawberries, kiwi fruit, papaya.